Moco Kids.
Jungle animals counting from 1 to 20. Let's count. How many lions are there? There are 1 lion. How many tigers are there? There are 2 tigers. How many elephants are there? There are 3 elephants. How many giraffes are there? There are 4 giraffes. How many pigs are there? There are 5 pigs. How many deers are there? There are 6 deers. How many monkeys are there? There are 7 monkeys. How many wolves are there? There are 8 wolves. How many bears are there? There are 9 bears. How many pandas are there? There are 10 pandas. How many goats are there? There are 11 goats. How many snakes are there? There are 12 snakes. How many foxes are there? There are 13 foxes. How many parrots are there? There are 14 parrots. How many hippos are there? There are 15 hippos. How many owls are there? There are 16 owls. How many porcupines are there? There are 17 porcupines. How many toucans are there? There are 18 toucans. How many gorillas are there? There are 19 gorillas. How many ostriches are there? There are 20 ostriches. Great job! You've learned counting from 1 to 20. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun and learning.